Pumpkin ravioli, pumpkin ravioli, pumpkin ravioli, pumpkin ravioli.
Ready? This is Cooking in Brooklyn with Danny Milano, and I'm Danny Milano, and it's Halloween season, so we're gonna get festive in the kitchen. I mean, we got pumpkins over there, we got pumpkins over here, even the pan looks like a freaking pumpkin.
I got a pumpkin in here.
So we're gonna make pumpkin ravioli in a butter and sage sauce. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bridgeside Network and Cooking in Brooklyn. Now, let's get to our ravioli. Hey, go Bridgeside. This dish is so easy and there's not many ingredients that today we're gonna let Dave tell you what they are.
You got your salt, of course, butter, some sage, pumpkin raviolis, and I hit a little Parmesan cheese over here for later, but don't tell nobody.
But Dave, you did forget about one thing, and I know it was a little out of reach. You're also gonna need a little bit of chicken broth.
You didn't tell me about that one.
All right, we're gonna begin by cutting up the sage.
Watch your fingers. I don't want no blood in my dish.
All right, so we sliced the sage up. I'm gonna put that over there, and then we're gonna grab our butter.
Make sure you use a nice amount of that.
When do I not use a lot of butter, Dave? Plop our butter in there. We're gonna set this up for later. We're gonna throw our raviolis. We'll throw our raviolis into the water.
Make those babies swim.
So we're gonna wait for our ravioli to pop, but in the meantime, let's talk about Halloween. So Halloween is not celebrated in Italy. As a matter of fact, my cousin was always fascinated about our holiday here, and she always wanted to come to the United States during Halloween. 2 years ago, she had the chance to come here, and she did. And she brought my two little cousins, and my nephews and my cousins from Italy all got to experience Halloween together here in the States. We bought them costumes, the whole 9 yards, and it was awesome. So these guys are popping up. They're saying, trick or treat, open the door, give me some candy, give me a home.
Sorry.
So we got the butter melting here.
I might go into cardiac arrest after eating this dish, but it's worth it.
Yeah, and they got it all on video. This would be my fault. No one's gonna be cursing me out.
Could you get charged for murder?
I don't know. But anyway, getting on to the cooking show. We got some sage. We're gonna throw it in. Mix that all around.
Look at all that butter.
Oh, it smells great. In the meantime, we're gonna strain our ravioli.
This is the best part of the night. Actually, I'm lying. When I eat, it's the best time.
All right. Whew, got a little light over there.
I thought you were an expert with that.
All right. And then we're gonna throw our raviolis right into the butter and sage. Mix that around. Then we're gonna grab our ladle and we're gonna just add a little bit of this chicken broth into that. Around.
So simple, so easy.
We add a little bit of salt.
Doesn't really take much.
And like I said, there's not much to it because this dish is ready. So I'm gonna shut this flame. Look at those raviolis soaking in that butter and sage. Happy Halloween, everybody. All right, Dave, and I know you're not a pumpkin fan, and to be honest with you, neither am I. But I hope I can convince you that this dish is unbelievable.
Maybe you'll change my mind a little bit. I don't get the hype. You know, you have pumpkin everything. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin lattes. I have pumpkin raviolis. All right, let's check this out over here, you know? And this is where the cheese comes in handy. I had this before. I love cheese on everything. You know what? It's not too bad. It's a little different what I'm used to. Tastes really good though. I mean, anything in butter and sage probably tastes good. You know what, Dan? It's kind of scary how much I like pumpkin now. Definitely changed my mind.
And I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love it too. It's quick, it's delicious, it's perfect for the season, it's no trick, and all treat. Happy Halloween, everybody.
Go Bridgeside.
Guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to Cookin in Brooklyn and the Bridgeside Network, and make sure you check your kids' candies, all right?